Relax, premense. Do this for my own, I'm in the sleep yet. From them show me them color, me no need them. Cut them off fast, I'm a reflex. Reset, start over again, I still a lead them. Foundation solid and no weak fence. Now, you can't get two chance to cross me. Me no in a no with crosses. Me throw away my heart in the garbage. Girl come over for the fucking half you want me. You can't get two chance to cross me. Me no in a no with crosses. Try to show love but me can't do it. That's why me treat people like dog shit. Yeah. And me no see them a call, now go give them a call. Me never group up when me see them.
Cute face on me. Week so me have to go with the few interviews.
Well, it is what it is.
So if you understand, man, you see circumstances in the views. You want to see me there?
No, but isn't there any other way we can work around this?
You didn't take it by, you know. Come go like that, go like that, go like that. We have to go look for the airport, you know. Babes, see that gun here? First gun me ever have, you know. I'm a rate, you know, I'm not even a fly, me know, a pitch by, you know. And since I'm not going to protect you, hold this. When you have it.
But you get mad, man.
Relax, man. See me. This have to keep you safe. You get me? I'm gonna trust your family them. Especially your anti-radical. You hear that?
You're really something else, you know.
Babes, you know if you use this?
No.
Hmm? Think I play a thing?
I don't know why you give me that. You think my father is a soldier?
Babes, just make sure they go under the car safety. See me? Pull back the running board and fire shot. See me?
I don't like guns.
Take your finger out of the trigger, man. See me? See this? This is safety. Keep it on all the time. See me? Don't take it off if nobody not dead. And make sure nobody see that gun here. For them not feel the dead. See?
Okay.
So come back home now, babes. Alright, babe, what's you know? We'll get ready, make we leave, yeah?
So this is how you're going to leave me with your child?
What? You're pregnant?
Yes, Tyson, I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? So wait there. Oh, I just know this. I can't bother going to wedding. When you're pregnant?
I did the test about a week ago.
Well, you look like the war is on, you know. I can't go nowhere if my youth know, you know.
Well, you don't have to go back home, baby. You can come and stay with me.
Well, that's the only option that don't. Come here, go pay all this, see?
Okay.
Must be mad. A second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have links to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for putting not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, better bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up done for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock it door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shake. Man never complain.
Sister, where do I go on? You know, so I can't sleep for you tell me what I go on do. I mean, we're going to come and ask me for you. Tell them come ramp with me now! Sis. No. Sister, one thing you do, you know, or you're born, you're extra, you know.
My brother, Them dead, you know?
My sister, you know we plane to do? May I lift up?
Alright, my brother, later.
Alright.
Yes, Craven-A. From what them forgive you a talk, you know. From what them see I go after my son.
Yo, top ranking. You know some stand for truth and justice, you know. You know say your son shoot up dog blood, you know.
I true you a gelding, you know. And you don't know why it is you have a son. But you can't kill my boy. Can't kill my baby.
Gelding, that you say, try know say your son a got jail and mark.
You go on like a shit can't make party, you know. But the last time I checked, me never seen a tasty I walk.
Me no work at Tasties and me no work at Kentucky at JCF no.
Let me tell you this. I'm mere commissioner of police. And if you not go hear what me say, you have to pack up and leave.
I know you're the boss, but you're corrupt now, fuck.
This is my final warning to you, no Craven-A. And if you don't listen, all of us are going to tumble down upon you.
So I check them, eh? Alright. No, so that boy take police with E that though. Mama car radical. Yo, my girl. Radical. When you gonna make a kidnap by the girl Monique?
And she may go call her, you know, and come pick you up in the day, yeah.
Alright. Must kill a girl, yeah.
Bad Indian.
What did fireman?
I'm there. The last time I see your boss, the man shot you. I hope you're good now.
Rasta man, you know say if Tyson never hurt him, this ya.
This me?
Yeah. That this ya. You come like water, you're too enough.
Easy man. I now get a gift from Jack. I must guide the eye on the right path. You know why Tyson got prosper? Because him listen and him respect the eye.
You what? The eye and eye? Go suck the eye and eye, madam. See?
The foolish always refuse wisdom. Bad Indian are gonna burn, you know.
Na 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 na. Yeah. As soon as I get there, I show you that I care. Throw away those numbers, girl, 'cause I'm the one who cares. Are you hiding from somebody who lives down your lane? You don't have to worry, baby. I will play your game. It's a beautiful thing. When you
And she don't realize that she leave her purse. Let me take out the purse and give it to her. What? So Monique turned gun girl. I don't know what is going on with Monique, you know, but I do like it. But maybe I should get one. Pinky, what you doing with that? I just saw it in your bag. Why do you have a gun in your bag? Pinky, I have to protect myself. Jesus Christ. Why were you in my bag from the first place? Because I was taking your purse to you. You went in the store, you didn't even get me anything. You come and talk about the gun. Jesus. Why do you have a gun in the first place? Pinky, why are you always doing this? Monique, you have really changed. I never thought I would see this side of you.
Dears picnic must feel. Give him the card back and make him shuffle and deal. Dears picnic must feel. Many times he get around it. Babylon, lightning! Take your gun out of my face.
Rasta boy, you know so the last time you fuck yourself with police.
I mean I talk to you. Me not deal with masturbation. Take your gun out of my bumbo class face.
You know me how?
Yeah! The Babylon boy, him have to go down. Him have to go down.
This is looking nice, but it's too big for me though.
Check the black and white one.
Who you, man? You're nice, eh?
Who is this man right here?
I mean him Spengshell, man. I mean when the whole place, man.
Oh, you're a Don. I Anyways, my name is Pinky. Anyways, I'm just looking something to buy. I'm not currently looking for anybody to speak to at the moment.
Me and I try to talk to anybody. No chance.
You obviously haven't heard of me.
Hey, Pinky, the number I want, you know. That's the number I want.
I don't have a phone.
What's your number on this man?
I do not have a phone.
Hey, a fool that take bad man for you know. I want that in a yarn. I phone that. The number on this man. Hold on.
Okay, no problem. Pinky.
Alright.
I have absolutely no idea why trouble always find me. Anyways, I'll see you next time, okay?
Alright, man, take it easy.
Yeah.
Don't move in a boy.
What is officer?
But the boy Tyson there. You and him a par, you know. I don't want to send no home, you know.
You know man, no par, you know, officer. Born alone.
So anyway, so Tyson, tell him say graveyard settings.
Officer, I'm gonna sell my poor man.
Can't bother for no reporting in the morning, yeah. That's why I'm gonna lick him down, you know.
What a way water come overboard and sink the ship in Radical.
Steppa, you move like a big fool.
Two enemies now go live in a one house. So if we now go work it out, it's better we part.
Well, since we make a vow to God and me still away your ring, me will forgive you this time.
That me I said too. A long time we been together in a Radical. Can't just throw it away so.
And I mean that church, are you?
Radical. You know me that if send a boy go a foreign law.
Long time. I don't know whether way from myself or the boy. No minister can live our life.
Radical. This now not for do with the lease. He getting a whole heap of problem with the police. I'm telling you to go on.
Police? So police be a problem, I hear the commissioner.
Radical, it not easy, you know. You ask Dog Blood rob Tyson and Tyson go shoot him up. But tell Dog Blood for easy and him say yeah. But some little bird there make me know say him and Craven-A still a go after him.
But the serious man Steppa, if you don't get rid of them police boy, if them not take the talk from you, make the boy go on a farm, go make life.
Radical, you just want to get rid of the son so you don't have to worry about money.
The one Monique, she a traitor.
Mom, stop it.
That's my favorite dog.
She's your only daughter, sir.
Oh, I want daughter me have now.
Daddy, I'm still your favorite.
Pinky, your brother gone a foreign, you know.
Tyson?
Yes, Tyson.
Dad, how come Tyson didn't tell me he went overseas?
Relax, man. Brother call you when you reach a foreign. And just a fast move he make.
Well, as long as he's okay, I'm fine with it.
My daughter, from what they have to give you a warning, you know. I don't want to see you with no boyfriend or hear say you have no boyfriend.
Dad, I am 19 now, you know? 19 years of age.
Well, already 100, you're my little baby.
Dad, you know what? I think it's time for us to go home. And you know I won't disappoint you. You know I won't disappoint you.
Alright, my dog.
King Selassie, I rules and reign. All festival will bring to shame. Them a free me. Festival a better you not see me. Oh gosh, and them a free me.
Yo, bad Indian.
Yo, my J.
You are the brother.
So me there I do have one wallet do.
What do you think there? So come think?
I'm on there for camera.
First thing this, never having a life in every room.
Bro, so you don't have to protect him.
All the help man, I'm on a protection thing bro. You must see I'm a girl, I'll get down here. I don't know me how to fuck up island, you see me? So, I want to have something. So, I'm going to do go off the road man. Don't feel me there dog. Don't make the man took up the ends dog, you see me? You wait bro. Alright.
You know how long me I look for you?
Look for your girl man.
A long time if it's dead, my boy.
Long time for dead. You know me who? Look at this, come on. Look at this. Hey boy, you know where I'm Craven-A? I'm Minium Tyson here. I'm telling you this. I don't want to war with the police, no brother. See me? But if you want problems with me, you get problems. See? Your squad they violate me, you walk and look for me like me a fool. You know me a old boy? You hear that? My father commissioner of police, yeah? That me a tell you. Watch out now. Step back. Step back! Yo, step back. Step back, I say, hey boy. I want to see a police boy. You know me a who? Police boy, man. I who you, man? Stand fuck. You hold this. Step back, man. See, you get no shot. You can't kill me. You give that police boy.
Don't move.
Are we again, Babylon boy?
Spengshell look, it's not you me I look fine.
Well, I don't care who you look fine, and if you come out of my yard now.
Yo, which part the boy Tyson there? Which part me can find him?
As Spengshell I talk to the Babylon boy. You know, any farm around here, you know. Right now, I want to find the boy Tyson myself.
Spengshell, come like an iron maker, you know. Man, know you talk to police, you know.
Them fool, I make police are coming at my yard, man.
Enough bad prayer, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me a work on the payday. Used to wear the one boot without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Jason dead and gone, me not have the same fate. Can't make them spread me out like me and nails. Rims couldn't tell me say, me not have guts. Get my heart broke and start move cautious. I'm on it by people, now me can't trust. So me put a 30 belly in my Taurus. Stay to myself, grass cut. I never left my shoes, it's like a glass broke. Junk got jaw breaks, my head crab up. Can't stop me now, me just a warm up. Heaven never make for me, all me know I grind me life. Fight for fight, search and couldn't find the light. Never know how the vibes, born with a mighty vice. Them a go hear me right now, and my time for shine. Set me free, I'm out the nights me cry. Puff pan a spliff, I'm out to fly me fly. Far from perfect, I'm out of time me slide. When me need them never they by my side. Stereotype, and the place where me come from, no matter how me dress them look.
Pinky, you good? Big up my sister, man. Monique, you know the thing already, man. You two want nobody see me, you know. See me?
I know.
So, when you go in, so we take out some of my thing them. You have the key. So, obviously.
Love you too.
Pinky, brother, come live uptown beside here, you know.
Really?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to stay with Monique, you know. Can't let nobody know, do you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Have to keep it on the down low for now.
Monique, do you know?
Alright.
Babes, you not carry anything?
No, let it stay.
Alright, yeah.
Okay.
Spengshell!
You in my yard, brother?
Yo, you don't know what I mean, deliver the message then.
Oh, so he's a messenger?
Messenger, your bumbuckler. From the other day when I go out with things, and I come to give you a message to make you know so then boy, you stop the fuck right.
I kind. You think I'm some play bad boy, though? I Spengshell I talk to you, know.
You know she pass Spengshell end up on ground.
Brother, come out of me yard. Brother, come out of me yard. Yeah, come like a some dopey show business I go on boy, you know.
I show gunshot hot, you know. But the boy Spengshell I can feel it. Show blood, you know.
Hey, Auntie.
Monique, I be a disrespect, you disrespect me, you know.
How am I disrespecting you?
From what them I tell you to come check me and all. No!
Okay, I'm by Tyson house, so you can come and check me.
Okay, give me a few minutes. We soon come.
So Tyson, my dad told me that you went away. What's going on with you?
Why my sister be a thing, you see me? Yeah, a police boy get into it, but I deal with that, you see me? So that's why I do up a Monique house where I look around. Everybody think I'm gonna find, you see it? Get me? But always Monique go up and get my clothes them and come. I will good. See me? Me I go up on the road to grab some things, you see me? Pinky.
Yes.
What your mother and Barbz are doing right now? Your mother that, you know?
What?
Wait there. Pinky, see you like here. Pinky. I have to go see what I go on right or something.
Where are you going with a gun near my mom
No,
again, Tyson?
Nah, right your mother Pinky. Remember see me with other people and they know already, you see me? But I want to see what I go on there or something.
Just be careful.
Alright, my sister.
Monique! Monique!
I already called.
You saw me the time I want you, Monique. Hey, girl. You saw the table stern. Barbz, we're not kill her. We're gonna teach her a lesson. Radical. Shall we get back every rustic?
Barbz, what you do? Radical, what you do? Babe, step back, step back. Yo, pull on that gun there. Step back. Give me this, man. You get too much trouble, man. You can't have yourself, Barbz. Eh? I want to see you, Radical. You again? You know woman, no? You never know me there. Money, come please. Come please. Go on in, pack the bag there, pack the bag. No, man, go on in, go pack the bag there. You leave out of my yard. Leave out of my yard now!
Ah, that's a gun.
You want back gun? Say they want to do the Radical. You play badness.
What's up, Dan Mafia, man?
There, I'm a G, man.
Long time no see, man.
I'm out there.
Welcome to my place. Yeah, man, Mafia house, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You know, I'm thinking about doing some big things, you know, from the other day, you know.
Yeah.
I'm thinking to start to produce some guy and have some stage shows and this. I need some young talent, man. Where I couldn't find some young talent.
You know them things I got that, man. I don't know how to get to everything like that, man. I don't know the whole of talent, you know. So we have to rule go down there, you know what I say? Buy some juice panels and cool out and find some artists, man. Artists there everywhere. When I go some little thing down there, I get them.
Okay.
The thing, man. I don't know that, man.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, man. I'm down there enough, man. So, if anything, man, you can roll go down.
No, let's do that now. Go get the vehicle from me, man.
Yeah, man. Deal with that, then.
You again?
What's this?
You know that person in there?
Who that?
The person in the peach colored shirt, I think?
Yeah, man, you know, say when I dog me from my place, I walk on.
He was literally bullying me for my own number, you know?
Bullying you? What do you mean by bullying? Body up?
Yes, sir.
I didn't know I'm a sister. I mean, the bully I with you, Barbz. Barbz brother, you know.
Really?
Yeah, man, same girl in the same.
The girl that
Monique kidnapped.
Monique kidnapped?
Yeah, man, be a war, man.
Oh, Lord.
Everything kind of cool and all still, you see me? But watch out now.
Hopefully.
You can call the phone, maybe leave with it. What you say? Let me know. See?
Me can't believe after buy plane tickets and if you live up, you're still there on the island, man.
Father, you don't understand what's going on in the man. See? You know, some Monique pregnant. Monique pregnant, man. You see me? And she tell me that somebody just lift up out of my place and come up at your place. You see, it's right up and Monique and me there stay, man. You see it? Up to me. I stay far from trouble, my father, man.
You can't stay far from trouble. Trouble follow you go everywhere you go.
Trouble follow me everywhere? My father, you know, say, big man thing. You know, say, when you come back to my life, I'm going to meet Monique, bro. Everything I go back. You know, long minute, I never take up a gun. You know, long minute, no problem. You see me? Man, a talented youth with him, father. What kind of talent you have? I never hear you not talented. What kind of talent you really have?
You can sing, man.
You can't sing. Not even a bar tune, I never hear you sing. Sing something, me here.
Can't take it no longer, this ups and down, and even me sometimes think of picking up a gun, Lord. Can't take it no longer, this hand to mouth, no wonder rude boy and police in a shootout. Can't take it no longer. And now me good up woman, them a go freak out. Them a go freak out. Yes, them a go freak out.
Wicked, Bob! My father, why the rich man? Whether your voice bigger than the whole of Africa. John, I know we don't get my talent from, you know. You know?
Yeah.
You're a bad DJ, you know. I love the badness, man. But I'm a bad DJ.
You put on badness and do some singing, man.
Badness can't stop. You're a police, you know.
So let me hear something, man.
Oh, you hear me sing?
Yes, man.
You don't have to sing. Oh, God. DJ still sing.
Alright,
Girls,
yes,
yeah?
DJ.
Here we go now. Husband deal. Now have no neighbor, some man fi live. Patience run out, man gone for riches. Aye, them a go call me wicked. Me not have time for waste, you know, see cars and living. Loyalty no pay, you go broke like dog. Notice I be a real people, you see staff. I forget my money first, go tell your big boss. Our time now, fi live. Call my name. Too long man I wait where you feel. Father fall, the rain. Blessing a pour down now for real. Nothing no cheap, can't depend on nobody. Turn up the street and put the money in my pocket. Call my name. Too long man I wait where you feel. I'm out of blessings on my manifest. I'm in the too listen when nobody say. Life good, living immaculate. Me turn big time I like Birdman now money fresh. Who say money even call? I lie them and tell me never broke her happy yet. I'm out of prayer, mama send on me the daffy bless. Me now worry about nobody. Come so.
Yes, man.
I'm your father. Yeah, man, them tell me say my next wife cartel, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, but I don't know. Bad in real life. My father, you know, cheat no far from
yeah,
that door.
Yeah.
Wait, the phone I know. Artist is, you know, that mafia. Hold on. Hello?
Yo, Tyson.
Where you say mafia?
Oh, I come down and I get to come look some artists, you know, because my boss just flying and want to spend 10 million in my business, you know.
Yeah.
So where you going down there? I have nobody down there.
But you know some of the day in that place though, but watch you know. Me I send a number to you, see me? Dog name Bad Indian, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, just link him, man. See? What this man? After the years I sing song? You get a big call, you know? You know what I want? Yeah, man, you know, say, Blood Mafia just call me and I say, I have a link, I'm foreign. Come in there, Ghetto. You see me, I look some artists, I spend some money on it. You see me, so I'm going to call Bad Indian and make him say clean.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man, you them for boss, you know. It's a pity, I can't go down there, you know, because you know the thing go. Oh, this boy want to dust me out, you know. I'm like a boy named Craven-A, my father. I tell you, you know. And if we deal with him, because bro, if me have to deal with him, I tell you.
Oh, well, I deal with him. I deal with him.
I mark settings.
Yeah.
See me? Pick up yourself with my father every time. Come in now, go back in. Call one Bad Indian, you know.
Yo, Tyson.
Bad Indian. Alright, make sure they pay your black, you see me?
Alright.
I wanna come say clean with some music business thing. See him have some money for spending and look some talented youth, you know?
Nah, man.
Find some artists for you, man.
That's a old man.
Ah, my brother.
Hello, good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Are you enjoying the
Are you serving me?
Not really, but we have a nice shift around here. That's very well.
Oh, that's nice. The thing I enjoy it so well. I'm just from abroad and come to get some young talent in the neighborhood, you know.
Okay. Well, as far as I see, this place has a lot of talents.
Yeah, I see. Do you know a guy named Bad Indian?
Yes, I know about it and Tyson.
Yes, I'm going around there right now, you know.
Well, there's a lot of talents in chicken and things here too.
Yeah?
Right at Charlotte here.
Okay, all
So
right.
you can even come around and
meet them. Okay.
Meet them as well.
That's good. That's nice to meet you.
So, hope you've enjoyed the rest
Yeah,
of
I'm
the dinner.
enjoying it.
So you say it tastes good, right?
Very nice.
Dirty friend, I'm gonna get it.
You need to take your pill, you know. Seriously.
I be a thing and your dirty friend I go out with, but you not get where.
Hey, girl.
You can't fight the female. What that?
Hey.
Ease yourself, man. Easy, man. You can't fight the female.
Man, yo, watch it out of woman.
Lightning for a woman beater. No problem. Easy way. You can't beat, you can't fight the woman. You can't violate the daughter, man. You cannot violate the daughter. Tell you say you need a macho man like me to get it.
Move your germs, the bumbo.
You sure say you on the germs? Boy, I may try to save a daughter, you know. Trouble again.
Yeah, one pretty girl, you know.
Sweetheart don't really work on me now.
Know that, man. Watching her a long time, I see a beautiful girl like this, you know.
You seem like a nice person, you know, but my dad don't really want me with any boyfriend right now, and he's a crazy person.
Crazy? I talk like I'm already crazy. Them crazy can't reach my level of craziness, man. Watch her, half your brain. Because watch her, I call your phone and you're forward. That means you want me to, you know.
I won't deny that I kind of like you, you know, but we'll have to take this extremely slow.
Yellow light setting, fast pace me deal with, you know. Top speed.
I told you already from the first time I met you, but this don't work on me.
But anyway, still no. They want me to go out, you know, eat some food and things, you understand?
I mean, that sounds way much better than meeting on the roadside.
Well, you never want to go nowhere with me. That's how you have to meet, so you know. I know man thing official, so you know.
I don't want to feel it. A Tyson! But you say you're going to foreign Rasta.
Yo, I kind of the tour of the world.
Long time.
Oh, them think I'm going to foreign, man. I'm there, man. Uptown, you know.
Alright.
See me? One with a low profile, because the place I run away, you know.
Alright.
Man, good though.
Long time.
Say, yeah, tour, man, brother. If who am I going to see, you know?
You don't know selling boy, it's like a head me if you never ready now.
Yeah, I'm full of chat though. You want to big up yourself. You're high time.
Bless her.
See
Bless
you.
her.
Holy.
Boy, things are going to change for Tyson, you know. Yeah, man, they're going to change for Tyson. But a trouble again. Trouble? Come here. I'm a spiritual man, you know, and I can't see things. And as you see, I come now to get to look talent. Hear this. Shallow brain, slow to learn, quick to burn. Shallow brain, slow to learn, quick to burn. This picnic must feel. Give him the card back, make him shuffle and deal, shuffle and deal. This picnic must feel. Many times he get a rotty. You mama did I want you. Hi, hi. Why didn't you take it? Your daddy did I want you. He wasn't from a bad breed. All those positive things that he taught ya. If you listen, you just succeed. Now you're on your bending knee, begging me, please, please, please.
Wicked! What's your name, man?
I kind.
But me look for a person named Bad Indian.
Yeah, man, I know him, man. Can't take it to him.
Alright, sir. You sure, sir?
Long time.
Alright, sir.
Boy, my brother, a politician friend want to meet there, you know?
What really I go on?
I nothing too serious, man. Don't worry, head. Radical, you can come now, yeah?
Evelyn. How old is her?
She me I tell about. Radical.
So what go on now? What I meeting about? What go on?
Boy, brother, you know, so Tyson take where you're going.
Where's Tyson take where what?
Tyson take where you're going.
Which? Where's the Tyson though? So how she involved in all of this?
Brother, calm down.
It's a little misunderstanding. Yo, I don't want you nothing from you, know. I never give you nothing, you know. What you say? What you say, go on?
Hey, mind how you talk to me. I'm a politician. Calm down.
Hey, This is not a house of parliament, you know. This is not garden house, you know. Better lift out of my place, yeah?
Aye! What you done? My brother, you get back your gun.
Some real joke thing this, you know.
Sorry, anti-radical. I never mean to push us to act, you know. I understand, but your brother needs to understand himself. Look at how the cost, man. Your niece are just problem. Boy, I used to love my niece, but lately, I kind of dislike her. Radical, just do what you have to do. Make my brother get back him gun, because my brother is a madman.
Body in there.
Yeah.
I'm really begging to make you link up, you know.
Oh, I'm the general at them up.
Yeah, man.
What's up, Indian?
Yeah, I'm the general.
How you doing, sir?
Yeah, man, I go and hold it, you know.
Yeah, nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, well, I say I hear that you control the place and you know a lot of young talent around the place.
Yeah, but you know, say the artist something me don't want to make your voice right now. You know, say not too about right now. We have to fall back on it, you know.
Oh, and next time?
Yeah.
Oh, nothing wrong with that, man.
Alright.
Now we can forward the next time. We have all for time, you know.
Alright.
So I just flow down and, you know, say I want to get some young talent, some bad artists in Jamaica. I know Jamaica is running the place right now. They have cartel and running the place right now, taking all over. So, yes, man, I know Jamaica full of talents, man. You know, cartel running all over, running the place right now. They have some young talent. Most can step in cartel shoes right now and take over, man. You know what I'm saying?
I'm really thought that.
Yes. What the guy, what you say his name again?
Firebass.
Firebass.
Yeah,
now he have a good name.
Yeah.
Who give him that name?
You know, him come up with that concept there, name though.
Okay, that's a nice name. Yes. I'm here to meet him, man.
Alright.
Come on. Time for lift up.
Yes, sir. I'm going to sign you, you know. This is a bad artist in India. I'm going to sign him.
Yeah, man.
He can sing very well, man.
Tyson, we need to talk to you.
Jesus Christ, I want to know.
Me not in the talk with you.
What do you mean you're not talking with
your
me?
wife, yeah?
Want to know, woman, where you and Tyson have now?
Your son don't have no behavior. Him take where Barb's gun.
Where Barbz are do it gun, my son take a gun from her.
Well, your son need to bring back the gun before it get out of control.
Well, make it get out of control, because my son stay just like me. We ready for anything. By the way, oh, you know so much about this gun story. You not tell me the truth, you know.
One thing I can tell you now. Anytime the dog get licked, he might go ball and you go here.
Gunshot can't stop busting up. Tyson! I want to go on with you on radical, man.
Yo, your wife a pussy. Yeah? Your wife and Barbz, I go catch with gun. I juke down my woman, I juke down my weak brother. You hear that?
What kind of thing that?
But you ask me, say your wife, you have to ask that. Look like a bury, we have to go bury your wife. Me I tell you the truth, brother. You see me? Your wife a behave like a pitney, brother. You see me? Oh, your wife go back gun for my woman. Brother, just come in. Yo, come in, father. Yeah, brother. You leave me, brother?
Yeah, my brother.
One body in there, man. Dog, be a stress, bro. Dog, you know, say, police boy pressure my dog. Boy, him Craven-A, dog.
You see that boy from what they are target the place, my brother?
I'm not worried about it, but watching my father. Tell me, say, man, link him, you see me? So, give me a piece of food to give. You know, I don't too trust about it. So, I make my father tell him, say, yeah, give me food.
No, man, feel I'm good.
Yeah, you know, I like food in that place, so I can't make you active, bro.
Yo, body man. Steppa come link here, you know.
I'm chatting about all this. First soul Babylon boy.
Must be mad. The second place I go.
Just I get a youth with big dreams. Yeah. First place, We are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket. I go for my one, coming up down for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock your door. And the whole place I shape, my drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not talk money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster.